well, the bounce, we talked about the recovery and the potential breakthrough. So 12 hour is topped out, though we do still have room to move on the daily. So I did switch to the daily for Bitcoin a while back, though we do love our 12 hour for the altcoins. I feel the daily is a little bit cleaner as far as eliminating some of the noise. So we're continuing to, wow, losing my voice. We're continuing to grind higher. This pattern has me on my toes, has me very attentive. We do see some, like fairly often, that this breaks down, but we're not seeing any signs of that really. So not really, I mean, the momentum is climbing higher, but there's no indications that we need to be concerned per se. So I'm not trading Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter. It's the macro view. Is Bitcoin going to crush out our altcoin setups, or is it going to promote growth? And that's where we keep an eye on that one. For the most part, everything's looking fine. We're recovering. We are at the point where we're at top of momentum on a lot of coins, and that's where I have trimmed up some profit just to give it a chance. I do usually expect one final shakeout with these kind of pushes. It doesn't just grind upwards forever. The famous saying in crypto is the bulls take the stairs, the bears jump out the window. So that's where I am being a bit cautious until we have a clear break above this downward trending resistance line and make support. We are in major resistances here, so this is a major supply zone. The red box that comes, or red rectangle that comes across. So we've got major support in the blue box. So that's where we're basically being sandwiched in between here, and we'll see a decision over the coming days.
Just total market cap quickly. I'm looking at the weekly time frame here, and I see a lot of this, like Corey also showed, a lot of the coins are moving in on a weekly to a bottom of momentum, not crossing it with this, but remember this total market cap without excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we are still continuing this channel, but getting to the top of this channel formation with that trend line running right there. So really moving into an interesting territory. And the next, like I said, it's going to be a very cool April to look at what's going to happen in April regarding the market cap and looking at all altcoins with that. So yes, this trend line is there. Even if you go to 3-day, we can just zoom in a little bit. We're still there, keeping on that historical rejection level at 802 and still curling upwards in a more bullish manner. So higher time frames definitely starting to looking bullish. Going over, say, to 12 hour, we see a lot across a lot of the coins that there is a top of momentum moving over. So a short, small correction still before maybe a possible upside that we've seen in longer term as well. So yes, getting to interesting positions on the total